FitLab Pittsburgh podcast, back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Today we're talking about a make-ahead grab-and-go breakfast in the form of an egg bake. I'm going to take 9 eggs, mix it up with a little milk in a big mixing bowl. I've got almond milk in the house, so that's what I'll use. I'm going to mix in with my eggs whatever I happen to have handy. Today I have some diced bell peppers, some diced onions, some sun-dried tomatoes. Mix that all up with a little salt and pepper. Treat a baking dish with some nonstick spray. Place it into the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes until a toothpick placed in the middle comes out clean. And there I have a breakfast that I can slice up into 9 squares, and I'm good to go for a quick breakfast before I run out the door in the morning. Normally I would not be cooking with a cat on the counter, but here we go. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH.